We are using Me for our whiteboard animation class, so by now you should have downloaded and installed it. First thing is to open it. Click on the plus sign to start a new project. Here you are expected to write the name of your project. Just write anything. I'm going to choose project 2 because I already have project 1. So choosing canvas size, we are preferring YouTube. You can choose any of the other one. Then click on create movie. It will bring you to this. This is where the magic is being done. This is the whiteboard animation actually. So we have some features here which we want to explore to know more about them. We have the text. The text is where you type in or you copy and paste what you want to use. The BG is the background color. You want it to be white or any other color. This is where you choose it. You can actually select an image to be your background. So let's go back to the white. That's what we want. Let's choose our white background. So we are going to choose our white background for this class. The next thing is hand. The hand is the hand that will be writing the words, the scripts, and be drawing the images for you. You have these hands that are here. You can choose any of them or choose without a hand or a pencil, anyone, just your choice. Very importantly, let's go to stickers. This is where you choose the image that you may want to work with. You can go to plus image and add from your gallery. That means if you downloaded anyone, but if not, we have some multiple choices you can choose from here. So you can go to recent. This one is ones I've used before. We have other options as casual male. You can choose from here anyone you want to. You have the corporate male, corporate female, and every other ones you can choose from. Now note this, some of these images are pro version, meaning that you have to pay for the app before you use it, or you watch an ad before you can be able to use it. But either ways, it is still accessible. The ads are only 30 seconds, which you can sacrifice and use it. So you can choose any of the stickers from here. And lastly is the music. If you want to do voiceover, this is where you choose the voiceover and record. If not, you go to music track and select music that you may want to. From here, this brings you to your gallery to select any music. So let's go over to the main business. Now we are going to the text, which is the first one. You can either copy, minimize, copy and paste, or you just type your script if you already have it off heart. Now we are going to be typing because I don't have any scripts at hand. So by your own, you should have gotten a script that you want to write, maybe about a business advert or some other thing, anything you want to actually make the animation for. So I'm going to use digital discipleship online training. Now once it's highlighted, you see options how you can whether increase the size of your letters, change the font, change the color, the alignment, and every other thing happens here for the text. So you can increase the size in order to fit in your screen, change the fonts that you prefer. You can do all of those things still here. The color of the font, you can select any color of your choice from here. So this is what you basically do. Choose the alignment and all of that. Once you are done, you can actually increase or decrease the size without touching that green button. Then if you actually made a mistake and you want to correct, you can click on that pencil sign and correct it or add. Then when you are done, click on good. So our text is established. Let's go to stickers. Let's choose something that is related. I think I have one in business. I had to select one from business. One of the images, the 2D images from here. Select it. We have here. So here I'm increasing the size how I want it to be. This is perfect for me. Okay, the size is good. That is it for the first slide, this one. So you can increase and decrease the size of it with your hand or with that. Then this plus sign here is where you used to add another slide. So once you click on this plus sign, it adds another slide. Then you can repeat what we have done before. Add your text, the next slide, what you want to appear in the next slide. Yes, you can write whatever you want. Here I'm writing birthday giveaway by Bro Fidelis, our celebrant. So this is what we have here. I'm trying to select a 2D image for our brother. So I selected one and they said it's a pro version. I need to watch an ad, so permit me to watch 30 seconds ad, and we have our animation here. So I had to put it there. Have our third slide. I want to have up to third slide. Then this is what I have for this third slide, repeating the same procedure. I went to my music to select the particular music I want to. So this is what you should also practice. Select a particular music. You can listen to the music here, delete and change, or reduce the volume on how you want it to be from this place. And once you are done, you can click on good. If you want to add voiceover, you can actually do same here. Then once you are done, you click on good. That means you are done. So you can listen to it by playing. You see the play sign there and see how it goes. You see what we have here for each of the slide. This is what we have for each one. Now this Benimi something that is showing on the screen, Benimi watermark, it will be there. You know it is not professional, so to remove it is either you go to pro version or you watch a 30 seconds ad to remove it. So I think that is preferable. So to remove that Benimi a watermark, we watch a 30-second ad to remove it. So that's what I'm basically doing here. Watch reward ad, and in 30 seconds they'll tell you that your reward is granted and we don't have it again. Next thing, click on that something that look like video, share something. Click on it to export. Now name your movie. This is where you actually name your movie what you have produced. Then click on make movie and allow it. Don't remove it until it has finished playing. Don't minimize, allow it to finish. Then you are done. Once it shows you this, it means you are done. Either play the movie to see it or you share it. If not, you go back and you can see it in your gallery. So this is the end of today's class. Please practice with the assignment I will give. Thank you.